Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to move multiple layers together in photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your photopea software. Then we can see here many an object layer. Now I am select multiple layer. Press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and select two layer. Then move up the layer. Now I am select first two layer. Again press Shift on your keyboard and select two layer and down this layer. Now here we can see move multiple layers together in photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.